Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Penzazo Travels. As you all know, our motto is simplifying your global access. Okay, earlier this year, there have been a lot of adverts concerning Canada. In fact, most agencies are saying, everybody get ready. Your Canada Caregiver Pilot Program is starting on the 31st of March, 2025. And this is on the 28th. This is on the 29th of March, 2020. So we have 2 days to go to the kick-off of this program. And I want to give you an update about this program that many of you don't know, because I did not do an advert for this program initially. And the reason is because I knew there's something future about this program. Now, this is Canada Home Care Worker Immigration. This is Canada Home Care Worker Immigration, in bracket, Home Support Program. It is a pilot program. When they say pilot means that when they say pilot, it means that they are testing it. It has not really come to stay. They are testing it to see how it will look like, to see if it will really stay. You get my point? Now, and Canada has changed their prime minister. The prime minister for Canada has been changed. A new prime minister has emerged. So this is to let you know that some of those visa policy that was initiated before February 2025 might be changed. Now, this is the rundown of the kind of person they want to accept. All right, so from 31st of March 2025 to 30th of March 2026, they have two streams. They have stream A and they have stream B. Stream A means inside Canada. You get it? So from 31st of March 2025 to 30th of March 2026, they are to accept 2,601 applications, meaning 2,610 applications is what they are to accept within a period of 1 year that they are testing this pilot program. Now, if you are outside, look at it. It now said numbers of applications submitted using electronic means. That is, if you are submitting online, they will accept 2,350. Now, if you are using alternative means, maybe you are doing paper submission or all that, they will accept 260. Now, if you are outside Canada, they are accepting 0. So all those people that are saying, get ready, write English exam, do caregiver certificate, on a shallow, on a lie you. They didn't come down and review these things very well. So you guys are sorry about that. If you outside Canada, whether you did Nigeria, you did Ghana, you did Cotonou, you did Europe, say, forget about it. They are not going to accept that application. This home care support immigration worker is majorly for people that are inside Canada. I don't know if you guys are getting me clearly. Then they are to spread it for the space of 5 years till March 2030. So they are to accept 2,610 for the first year. For the second batch, they are to accept 2,750. Also, the third batch, 2,750. But those outside Canada are not eligible to apply. Do you know the reason? No matter who you be, no matter what you study, let me use Africa for example. In Africa, if life be nurse, be doctor, the moment you enter the Canada back, you go redo their course. You go take their course. People when they inside Canada can attest to this. You must go their course, PCW course, WSD course. You must do a lot of course. A lot of healthcare course before you can be able to work inside Canada as an healthcare worker. Leave those people, they tell you, say, you don't need an experience to be as an healthcare worker before you can work in Canada. Now lie you. You don't need English language certificate. Now wash. But if to work as an healthcare worker is your passion and you really want to work as an healthcare worker, you can actually go to Canada through school. Maybe studying healthcare courses. They have a lot of schools who offer such program. So when you graduate from there, you can easily get a pathway to permanent resident. But if now with this pilot program, what they see, you want to go Canada, just forget about it and think of something else. So I remain Penzazo Travel. I just said, let me share you guys this piece of information so that you guys will be updated. May no go for the wrong guy, because if you apply from now to tomorrow, now rejection. And the visa fee no be here. And this program is solely for people inside Canada. Even though say the program said no be for people inside Canada, check the numbers of applicants they want to take. 2,610. Only one state for Nigeria. People ain't go apply only one state. Let's use Lagos as example. Go past 500,000. And so they want to collect 2,000. So you guys should use your brain and spend wisely. I remain Penzazo Travels. Thank you and God bless you.